here we are at home with our Dji Mini 3 Pro. So overall, first impression with the box, I think it is well packaged. You can see round packaging on this drone, 9.5 on 10. Guys, I'm excited to know what is in this box. We are going to take out this little piece here. Yeah, so take it out. This one, okay. So I'll take this one out. Okay, we'll take this one out. Okay, so we have our box here now. You can see. So open. Wow, this is the monster. So we take out, this is the drone. Yeah, so overall I think the packaging is okay and not really heavy. Anyway, let's check what is in the box first. So that is the drone, and this one, I think this one is to protect the drone, you see. So we put this one aside. The next one is the controller. Yeah, we take out the controller. So this is a controller. Well packaged, guys. So we keep that one aside, and here is, what is this? I think manual, user manual and the rest. So let's open and see what is inside. Let's open and see what is inside. First of all, what is this? Oh, this, I think this is a spare wings. The one that flies. So if you mistakenly hit the drone, or if this one get missing, you can replace with this one. Thank you DJI for this. So set aside. This one is a little screwdriver from DJI. You can get this one as well when you get your drone. So everything is included in the box. Yeah, so this is a screwdriver you can use to tie maybe those the wings when it fall off. Okay, we have one USB type C. This one is to download images from your drone to your PC or your MacBook. So that one is the USB, and we have the user manual. Who reads this even? No money even read this one. Here is the controller. This one, material use is okay. It give way to, it weighs a lot. Left, right, up, down, something like that. So guys, this is all about the controller. Let's see what is in the drone, how the drone look like. Wow, guys, here is the drone. Well solid. You see, this one is the lens cover, so you can pull this one like this. Oh, wow, you pull it like this, take it off. Yeah, so you can see the lens. This drone camera can also take vertical and horizontal video. You see, you make it like this, the video will be vertical. Yeah, your video will be vertical, and like this it will be horizontal. Let's pull out the wings. This one, like, wow, this one is well solid, man. And this one, wow, sorry, well solid. I take this one out. Oh, what is up here? Oh, like this, pull it out like this, and this one, pull it out like this. And here is our drone. This drone has 4 or 6 sensors, if I am mistaken. 2 sensors in front when the drone is going in front, and when you're going up we have also 2 above, and under when the drone is landing we have 2 under. So that is total of 6 sensors, if I'm not mistaken. Turning on this drone, we first of all have to update the firmware here. So the battery is not yet activated, so we have to activate the battery so we can see what is here. Okay, now we have activated the battery of the drone, so we need to first of all turn on the drone and pair with the remote. So to turn on the drone, you have to first of all press 1, then press the second time and hold. You see that the drone is going to come on. As you can see, you see that the drone is ready and ready for takeoff. So that is it. So we are going to pair the drone now with the remote like this. You can see that gradually it will pair together. Okay, so now you can see that it has paired and they're asking for activate DJI device. Agree. So we need to first of all update the device. After updating the device, then we can test the drone. So we click update and it's going to use some few minutes to update. It's done updating, so we are going to turn on our drone again and see how it's gonna work. Like that. You can see that that is our camera and our drone is here. To take off, you just press this one once and it's going to show you how you can take off. So guys, in our next video we are going to take this drone out and do test fly. So stay tuned and see what this little beast can produce.